the 2007 Honda City, and it's the rarest VTEC. But it's not automatic, so it is not at all that much rare. But it's rare, and I don't know how to open this hole with the clamp. Yeah. So here's the clamp. And this
is the engine.
1.5 liter VTEC engine. I don't know the specs, but the latest model produces around 110 bhp. This is a 2007 model, so it might be producing 80 to 82 bhp. But for 2007 model, it is bang on.
Just see the engine.
Bang on hit car. And you have the air filter, you have the normal, but no VTEC badge. That's strange. Honda put badges in their engine, but here it's no VTEC badge. So look at the third right now. This sounds amazing. So you have the lights, which are halogen, no fog lights. It was available in 2009 model. So we have normal steel wheels, and the specs is 165 ADR14. Not at all great. Electronic adjustable ODRMs for the base variant. This is something very rare found in today's cars.
And this is partially modified.
And it has no center locking in it. You have to lock it with these nonsense key. And you have iPop, which I don't know how much is useful. And the paint has gone, everything is gone. We will be modifying this car very soon with our Desi Jugars. And the car is right now very dirty. And let's take the boot space. So look at these. Look at this. The hinges, they don't go up and down. We have to apply the force, which is sometimes great or sometimes no. So one thing that
गाड़ी का कचरा है ये तो नहीं दिखाना.
One thing that I don't like about Honda is they don't give any cladding over here. They just leave this thing exposed. Toyota and other brands do cladding over here, which is kind of a cost cutting. And we have one more cost cutting thing. I'll just show you. Yeah, it's not. So the tire, it's not a full size. It's a 155 spec, but the stock car gets 165. So again, cost cutting, and look. So car is in very much dirty condition, and third is amazing.
Just see the rear headlights.
We have to go inside now.
It's time for the interior side.
No center locking, come from that side, bro.
Okay, bro.
So no center locking. I don't know why, but there's no center locking.
Open करो भाई.
Yeah, no center locking. Disadvantages of center locking. So car is very, very, very dirty. This is something purely rare, because this is the KW. It was
And in the rear, it's Pioneer.
and it's a Pioneer based system. It sounds amazing. We will be doing the sound test as well. You have the hazard light switch, which is helpful in fog. God idles. I don't know what's this. What's this, bro? I don't know. So it's a aftermarket OVRM. We installed a rear cam, but not working. This car also supports parking sensor, but all the parking sensors are gone. There is just whole of parking sensor, which is quite something.
And there's
Not-
a microphone too in the
car, which works when aux is connected. This car comes with Bluetooth, AM, FM, aux port, and you have a nonsense freaking USB.
and just see this.
And this is a feature which is only available in BMW 3 Series nowadays. You can use it as a open storage. It was a wireless charger.
You can use it as a cup
they
holder
also
too.
They also opted for a wireless model in the limited edition GXI, but this is the EXI, so don't support that. Look at this. You can use it as a cup holder if you want, and then you can slide this thing back to use at a toll receipt space. One feature which I love is ticket holder, which is not available in today's cars. But one thing, this part is total waste. What the hell? Why they are giving this also? I don't know. I don't know what's this. So this is a freaking mirror, but the cover is gone, and the car is super dirty. So you have some ashtray. This is the ashtray. We don't smoke, so we really use this for this banks and all that. Conventional cigarette lighter. And let me just turn on the car and look at the lights. It is not at all amazing, but for a car of model 2007, this is something. And it has climate control. In 2007, this was the first ever car to introduce the auto climate control in the top end. But since this is the base model, so, and this is the blower, and you have the defogger. Like literally, Maruti Vitara Brezza base model cost almost 10.11 lakhs on road, and don't offer defogger. This car, I don't know what was the costing that time, but this offers a defogger, which is really think this is for the air intake. And you have to show this, kind of inspired from the Ford Raptor. Wow, Ford Raptor, what I'm speaking. So kind of inspired from Ford Raptor, and 1 lakh kilometers plus. All the warnings. You have the electronic parking system. No, electronic. I don't know.
OVRMs.
And yes, we have the electronic OVRMs, which are absolutely bliss. Like literally bliss. We had some freaking switches, but I don't know why they don't work. And look at this, man. They are all in working condition. Look at that. No, and look at this feature. One of my most favorites, the auto down, but it's auto up as well. You have a window, and you have the OVRM, which I don't know why it's not working. Yeah, look at this. Look at this, man. Look at this. It is working, and I am amazed. Like amazed. You have the window lock switch. You have the speaker port, and our cameraman is telling that I am the cameraman. So let's forward the camera to him. That's the AC vents.
No.
And one thing, Volkswagen lovers should listen that. This is a thud that Japanese Honda City had on that time. In today's Honda Cities, this is absolutely missing. Look at this. You can, everything is super duper hard and robust. Like look at this. There's some few cracks while installing this. This might happen, but yeah. You have the aux cable, and we are using an iPhone which supports an aux cable. Wow. Like iPhone supporting aux is something very rare right now nowadays. You have a sanitizer, very important nowadays. And look at this, you can use it as. So yeah, one jugaad that I have done in the car. These are some. Oh, the wait is over. Let's check the music, guys, because we are gonna be checking this JVC head unit paired with Pioneer and 2 JBL subwoofers under seat as well. Yeah. So let's play the music.
तेरियां रखा ने चिट्ठियां
किन्नियां नू होर दित्तियां यारा ते सुनावा गोरीए नी मैं दारू पी के हट बीतियां ओ फेस टाइम उत्ते फेस टाइम नाल तेरा देखदा रहा नी हुंदा चेंज गोरीए ना मेरा तो हाथ कर ले रेंज गोरीए मैनू एही गल लगी
So you have disco lights on offer.
सली हाथ मोड़ की सी हुंदी गोरीए
मैं उदे तीन बोतलां सी पीतियां ओ तेरियां दी गल मिठियां हानी तू किन्नियां नू होर दित्तियां यारा तू सुनावा गोरीए नी मैं दारू पी के हट बीतियां
प्लान कर
ये दिखा स्टेरिंग
ਹੋਰੇ ਕਿਦੇ ਲਈ ਸੀ ਕੱਚਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਤਰ ਗਈ ਪਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਤਾਂ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਮਾੜੀ ਕਰ ਗਈ
बस हो गया